my committee members, and all the participants. By warmly welcoming our esteemed speaker, Dr. Collections Research, Finding, Entomological Collections, Vertebrate Collections, even Herbarium Collection.
And also the urethers. So these ureters, of course, but some of them they are used so that they can keep on the exchange. And after we publish all this, then we will ask the innovations is the lack of the database, and then when we yeah, sure.
It's just barcodes, and you cannot compare that.
Actually, they have retrieved the data information from like 100 years ago to effectively and efficiently manage. So walaupun dia endemik, so ini gajah actually dijumpai di.
So I hope you all had a good contact me by email, or you can approach me later. I also understand that ever since I started in the laboratory, I put them back in the water. The surface tension actually sticks. We cannot see those on the next slide. But for some, no, very simple. In your caption. Manual. It's a common fish again.
Yes, common.
So you can see the okay,
I want to tell you all about the scales about the
Kerapu and the belai itu Pinoy.
some of this fish you might you hear that snap because I'm going to remove one gill up. So now I'm trying to cut the
Tam ya Bun. Chắc tam lấy mấy trăm á. Udang pula udang.
From here to here.
Terus ni kamu.
Yeah.
done about conditions. Fishes, what I'm going to do is, you got to immobilize.
You know it's mellow.
No,
Enggak beneran udah di dokter. Oke. Sayang banget.
You can see the stomach here. That's where the water comes from. Okay, again, the blind side. Okay, and if you look closely. Okay, and then the base. And but if you look at marine fish, so currently in situation in Singapore, the desalination plants is using seawater to extract fresh water.